So this is a special presentation. I mean, this is a new ureteroscope. It's a Mindsion. It's really a dream for urologists. Why? Because it's wireless, completely wireless. And you can see here, it's 7.5, and the movement is like that, exactly like, look, the performances of this ureteroscope in this part and in this part. And this ureteroscope is completely wireless. Look, here is the image. Please move the camera there. Move the camera there. Okay? And you can see we can perfectly transmit, you know. Look, this is the image. It's very good image. And also, we don't need cable, not cables, not, you know, not light source. It's like this. This is really, really impressive. I think this is the future. Wireless, completely wireless, you know, with the possibility to transmit the image, like you saw, and also, look, and also to transmit the light. So this is the new tool. It's maybe for 2026, because our workshop is entitled Perspectives also for 2026. So that's why it's a great pleasure and it's a great honor to present for the first time this technology, this new technology. I saw this ureteroscope very recently in an exhibition. So now I hope that they will obtain, you know, the last from technical part of view, the last part of their technology, yes. And I strongly hope to have this ureteroscope in our department. They promised us to send if when everything is done, I mean technically, but this is a great possibility for urologists, this kind of ureteroscope. So Mindsion, I think, will be one of the very important ureteroscopes in the future, near future, and it's with this workshop, it's also a great possibility for us to present this one, and I am so honored to present for the first time this kind of technology, the technology of the future. Now, the future is now, I think. Thank you very much, and we will move to the next case after this presentation. Okay, thank you.